Alright, first thing in the morning, I was going through my videos, my folders and whatnot of all the archived videos I've had, and I accidentally deleted it. And it wouldn't have gone to the recycle bin because it's pretty much like 700 gigs of videos. And I accidentally deleted it. Yeah, I really screwed that one up. As soon as I deleted it, try to get it back, it's gone. Not how I wanted to start the morning at all. So I've tried to use this command prompt. For some reason, I don't have access. So I'm going to try something else. I'm going to keep on trying, see if I can do something about it.
Like I said, I accidentally deleted all my files, like all the archive videos, and I was saving them up to do something really big. Like I said, 103 videos literally worth of like raw footage. And this footage, some of them hasn't even seen the light of day. And it would have been good to be able to go back, but I need to figure a way to get it back. I really haven't done anything with that drive, but I'm just contemplating which applications to use, because I know with all these data recovery stuff, it's just up and down in terms of what will work, what doesn't work. But to give you guys an update on, alright, so this is getting planned to get painted tomorrow, but we'll see how we go. But basically, rubbed back, everything's set. It's going in the same color. Complete, full respray in midnight purple. I think NP, I think number 2. I don't think it's the number 3 one, because I think number 3 one's super expensive because of there's a tinter that's super expensive. But like I said, extensive work that has to be done on the fiberglass wing, blade, and poly lip. One of my friends told me to use this drill. I think I've used it in the past once or twice, but I think I'm just gonna try and download it and see if we can hopefully recover most of my data files. The middle section's probably not the important part, because I think I've done all the videos for that, but it's pretty much the origins of the initial very first videos that I want, because there's some interesting footage there. So currently installing updates, and we'll see what it can find. Install update.
So we're at 40%, 47%, and it's been 14 minutes.
And I see no videos.
Unless that doesn't update yet.
Reviewing it.
We've got 827 gigabytes of data that can be recovered. And like I said, I've just got folders and folders and folders of data. So once it finishes scanning,
I'm gonna give it a crack and see if we can recover all that information, and whether or not I use it is a big question. But there are lots of videos and unseen videos that I've documented that's sitting in there, so we'll see. So we have managed to find everything, but the problem is, what files do I need? Because I remember I deleted a whole bunch of stuff just to make room on the drive. So I have to go through one by one and think about which actual footage do I want. Like, I think all the tuning footage that I had of the car, irrelevant. I'm trying to look for, ideally, the moments where we actually did something, rather than me just saying, me cutting the grass, or me, I don't know, assembling the car, doing nothing. But yeah, I just got to go through this. But good to know that the data's still there, and we look like we can probably salvage most of it, which is good. So thank you for everyone that reached out and said, yeah, use the recovery software and whatnot, because I was really hesitant just because I set up no restore points or anything like that. So yeah, good thing. It hasn't asked me to pay yet, so maybe it will when I try to recover it. I have a 1 terabyte hard drive, yet there's 1.4 terabytes to recover. So I think I'm just gonna do it in lots and then go through them and see which ones I can delete and whatnot. And that way we can have full coverage over what we want to keep and what I need to get rid of. Well, that sucks. You can't recover to the exact same device. I have to transfer it somewhere else, which I don't have space for, so I'll probably look into, I don't know, this is stupid. I thought it was as simple as just, boom, there you go, recovered. But I'll probably have to buy another drive to make this work. I'm not too sure if this is right. My drive has automatically turned into read only, and I can't do anything about it. So this is my folder, and like I said, look up there, remove access, whatnot. I can't even create new folders, and I'm not too sure why. Like every other drive I can create new folders, give access to, but with the drive that I'm trying to recover from, is it because I'm recovering from that drive, so technically I can't write anything because it's currently open? I'm not too sure, but tomorrow I'm going to buy an internal drive. Probably looking at probably a 4 terabyte one, internal, because it's bang for buck, like just over $100 for 4 terabytes, and it's hopefully it works inside my computer, but I'm gonna wait until then to hopefully recover all the files, because I can't recover it anywhere else, because like I said, the drive that I want to recover it on is read only, and I have no idea why, so I'm gonna figure that one out. But like I said, tomorrow we should be able to recover it, fingers crossed.